Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Research AI Tools. If you're interested in AI powered tools for research, academic writing, publication, and productivity, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss our future videos. In today's video, we are going to explore a common challenge faced by the researchers, faculty members, students, and PhD scholars, that is, finding the right journal for manuscript submission. Many researchers spend months conducting experiments, analyzing data, and writing high quality manuscripts. Yet, despite the quality of their work, they often face immediate desk rejection from journals. One of the most common reasons is not the quality of the manuscript itself, but rather that the manuscript does not fall within the journal's scope and aims. This is where AI powered journal finders can be incredibly useful. These tools analyze your manuscript and suggest journals that are most aligned with your research topic, scope, objectives, and significantly increase your chances of finding a suitable publication. As research publications have become increasingly important for career progression, degree completion, funding opportunities, and academic recognition, selecting the right journal has never been more critical. Whether you are an MS student preparing your first paper, a PhD scholar targeting reputable journals, or a faculty member looking to maximize publication success, AI journal finders can save valuable time and effort. In today's video, we will explore two popular AI powered journal recommendation tools. The first one is available on the SciSpace.com and it is known as SciSpace Journal Finder, and the second one is the Trinka Journal Finder. We will see how each tool works, what information you need to provide, and how effectively they can help identify suitable journals. So let's get straight to the first tool that is available on scispace.com. So here you can see I have already opened the AI Journal Finder, which you can easily find through the Google by entering AI Journal Finders on scispace.com. And once you reach here, you can see that it is asking you to enter either the abstract or the title of your journal paper. And for example, if you have written your paper, you need to copy paste your title or the abstract. And you need to enter the title or the abstract within the this particular space. And here is a sample prompt already written over here that is here is the abstract of my paper. Can you recommend the best journals to publish my research article? I want journals in my region which are Q1 or Q2. Now you can always go ahead and tweak this short prompt or you can go ahead with it. So I have already downloaded one of the papers to show you as an example. And here you can see the title and the abstract are given. So I'm going to very quickly copy the abstract from this particular paper and I'm going to enter it within this particular space. So as soon as I have entered, click on the run task and allow the tool to, justify this text a bit so that it can be made clear. And as you can see, the abstract has been fully entered and it has been optimized. And the last line, I have kept it as it is, which is I want journals in my region which are from quartile 1 or quartile 2. So let's click on the submit button. And now, as you can see, that agent has started running. And you can always give some follow-up instructions as well. So for a start, you can also type only the title of your paper as well. If you want to keep in mind your targeted journal from the very start, then you can also go ahead with the title. But my recommendation is to enter the abstract so that it can give you some targeted and well-defined journal as per your requirement. So as you can see, it is currently in search of the Q1 and Q2 journals, and it is updating you as well. For example, it is preparing a full file that is regional journals, and right now it is also searching the author affiliation that is agricultural AI agents. So As you can see, the results are in and they are very much descriptive. So let's see what kind of results it has given us. So first, it has started from searching the Q1 and Q2 journals. As you can see, I am searching the SciSpace journal database for Q1 and Q2 journals. And then it has started to identify the journals, followed by a very precise table of the journals. That is, now based on the abstract that you have entered, it has given you the journal name, that is Computers and Electronics and Agriculture, and the publisher is elsewhere, and the quartile ranking is Q1. And again, you have a couple of more very well defined options available as well. So it has also given you the regional recommendations. The next steps are also here, in which it has given you a short query to go along with it, and it has also given you references. So again, it is asking you to enter a follow-up query. So let's just say that, for example, I want to ask that sort the journals based on their first review time, quickest being the first. So again, I have given it a query that I want to sort the journals based on their review speeds. So again, if I am going to publish my article and I want to do it within the span of 6 months, or say in 1 year, then my preference would not only be the quartile but also the publication time. So again, it has started to give you the results. So again, the initial results are very good to go ahead, and again, you have to wait for 24 hours in order to get the results from your follow-up query, as the free of cost version of SciSpace can only give you 100 credits, and in order to proceed further, you have to wait for 24 hours. So let's try the second one, that is Trinka Journal Finder, and let's see how it works. So again, I have entered the Trinka Journal Finder in the query list, and again, it is asking you to paste the abstract. So we have entered the abstract that we have copied earlier. And as soon as I click on the Find Journals, now it has started, the agents of on the Trinka website have started to find the journals, and just allow it to uh, find some suitable journals. And this may take a short while, but it will also give you journals based upon your preferred abstract and the title. So as you can see that it has started to give us the results. So let's see what kind of results do we have. And again, I would also recommend the audience, like in similar to my previous videos, that please go ahead and enter the abstract of your choice and just play around with the values that are available within the filters, and your results will be compiled and will be more precise and more accurate. So results show that the number one is the high profile sustainability journal from the publisher MDPI, that is Multidisciplinary Digital Publishing Institute, a very good journal, and that is a Q1 journal. And it has also given you some matrices to look at, the number of article published yearly. So that is a very good metric to have a look at. The second one is applied energy. The third one is energies, again, MDPI based journal. And then you can also have a look at some of the more journals if you log into this Trinka website through the login button. So I would recommend and urge every researcher to please go on these AI based journal recommenders and just enter your abstract and see what kind of journals are best suitable for your research paper, and then try to enter your research paper within these journals. And some of these journal recommenders also edit your paper based upon the recommended journal as well. So I will make sure to prepare another video based on that. So for now and for today, that is all from my side. Thank you for joining. Wish you a happy, good day.